what's wrong, but something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion is gone and love's taken.
So guys, let's make some lasagna today. And we're gonna go and make some white sauce because I only have tomato. And we don't have a white sauce. And we have to make it ourselves. We just need flour and milk. And yeah, and butter as well. Let's heat the pan. We need a spoon. Let's take some butter. Yeah, let's just get some butter. Something like that. I think it's about like 25 grams. Let's just lower the heat. Melt the butter first. And when it's all melted, put like 3 tablespoons flour as well. That was full, that's why it's about 3 tablespoons as well there. Flour. And let's combine this together. Let's incorporate the butter and the flour together for adding our. Let's put the heat up a little, medium heat. And now we're gonna add our milk. Eyeball it. Just eyeball it. Little by little. Mix them well. This is how I make my white sauce. It's okay, it's got a little bit of lump in the lumpy. Lumpy is fine. Let's put a little bit of salt in it. Just a little. Not a lot. And just add the milk gradually. You can actually add cheese in it, but I'm just gonna do it plain now because I do my lasagna differently. A little more sauce. You make sure that you have to put the milk gradually because if you put it all at once, it won't be thicker. It will be watery if you put too much. Let it boil a bit. Just a little garlic. Lower the heat because it's boiling rapidly. There we go, this is our white sauce for the lasagna. And let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. See you in a bit. Transfer this here. For our sauce later on. There we go, guys. See you in a bit. That's the sauce. White sauce. Hi guys, welcome back. We're gonna start cooking the sauce or the meat. Red sauce. Inside the pan. We're gonna cook the beef. I'm not gonna add some oil. So this beef has got actually little by little. It's got marbling fat to it. This got only 5% fat. This means beef. Because the pan is non-stick. It's good. Needs a lot of beef. Take some out. So planning to make a potato and what do you call this? Beef. Stir fry later. I'm gonna add some oregano. A lot of it. And basil. And you need some sauce and salt. See, it's got oil to the pan now, or liquid from the meat. Then everything is looking brown. Let's add our tomato sauce. I'm gonna add a little salt first. Salt. Oh, there's that now. Pepper. I'm gonna add some beef stock. Beef stock. Smell the beef stock. Go. And let's add our tomato sauce. Oh, wow, this is a tomato sauce. Doesn't look tomato. Okay. Because it looks like watery. Let's add some tomato paste. About 3 tablespoons as well. Let's add this sauce. That was tomato passata. Let's add a little more tomato paste. Because I like that to be really red and thick. See, if you're not happy with the thickness, I actually tend to put some meat gravy, like seasoning as well, to thicken it a little. And let's add more herbs. I'm actually quite excessive when I put herbs. Actually, quite like it. Let's lower the heat because it's boiling rapidly and it's splashing everywhere. This is actually quite done now. So put this more pepper. There we go. Let's prepare our lasagna. I think I'm gonna mix 2 lasagna. So we need the Lasagne Sheets. Nice here. Actually putting down this one here, and got this for here. There we go. Then we need some cheese. Use this. Actually, and actually, I don't really got a lot of it. I'm just gonna put white sauce in this side of a lasagna. And I'm gonna use a meat here. It's just cheese and meat. Red sauce. This is actually how I make the lasagna, my lasagna. Right there. Go. This one is cheese. I'm gonna put sauce or white sauce on the top of it though, at the very end. Let's heat the oven. While preparing this, there we go. Cheese, white sauce, and cheese. We need more cheese. Change that side. This side. Actually, I should have this white sauce is not perfect. I should have put more water to it because this is a little bit thicker than usual. log cheese on the top. Grated cheese. This cheese is to buy it grated already. Ready to grate cheese that freshly grated. Yeah, you can tell that I put a lot of cheese because someone here likes cheese. Someone really loves cheese. This was cheese. There we go. Put it in the middle, that when it's melted it goes like that. Because if you put it in, it's actually mounting on the side, it would spill out. So yes, that's it, we like that. That's it guys, that's done. Now I'll show you when it's cooked later on, so that you can see better. There we go, and let's heat the oven for about, wait, there we go, heat it for about 180, and we'll cook it about 45 minutes, because I want it to be like brown, but let's see how long we're gonna cook later. So that's it, my lasagna. That's my lasagna. Thank you. This one. That one. There we go guys. They're all perfectly cooked. Lasagna. Here you go guys. This is what they look like. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para notified po kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko. Thank you so much for watching. Love, love. Bye. Keep safe.
Fly, things just feel heavy tonight.